What's going on, everyone? HueFin News coming at you with another daily cryptocurrency market analysis. Today is August the 25th, 2017, and we're going to go ahead and get right into it. We're going to go ahead and look at the cryptocurrency market capitalization website first. If you guys can see, Bitcoin had a modest day. 0.809 is the percentage that they are up. Ethereum was up also 2.15%. Bitcoin Cash is almost up 2% as well. Ripple is down 1.5%. Litecoin is up 1%. Dash is up 3%. Neo is down 3%. And Monero, the game banger, is up 23.64%. We're going to go ahead and look at that chart in a minute. The overall market cap for the cryptocurrency is $155 billion. That's an extra $2 billion that's been added to the cryptocurrency marketplace. That is phenomenal. We can only expect that number to get ever so increasingly as more and more people see how promising cryptocurrencies are and how valuable they will be in the future. So with that being said, let's go ahead and look at these top 10 or so cryptocurrencies, seeing what they did today. So looking at Bitcoin on the daily chart, you guys can see that they are down 0.24%. Last trade was at $4,333, and we forecasted Bitcoin to come up here and test this area high of $4,400. And now we need to try to assess whether or not it's going to go higher or whether it's going to go lower. Now, looking at the current bar as it is, this is a possible precursor of weakness, but we still have 3 days of precursor of strength in the background. So today might also be a precursor of strength just for further highs. We will have to wait and see. This kind of has us in limbo right now. So tomorrow will be the determining factor or the bar that lets us know whether Bitcoin will continue higher or whether it will continue lower, because the volume also, if you look at it towards the bottom, is not excessive. It's about average from the last couple of trading days as well. So that's not an indication to us of what direction the market wants to go. So today is turning out to be a wash for Bitcoin Cash in allowing us to determine where the market is going to go. So since the market has been moving higher in the background of this particular cryptocurrency, then we will continue with that forecast and say that Bitcoin is going to make higher highs. Okay. But tomorrow might either be a sideways trading day. So we just want to keep that in mind. Our analysis for Bitcoin is for it to continue to trade higher. So next, we're going to go ahead and look at Ethereum. So looking at Ethereum, they are up 1.43%. Last trades at $328.55. And it's like the last 5 trading days, stockpile has been continually trying to push this price down, but it hasn't been successful. Every day the market has been trading higher, even today. And stockpile is also trying to push this price down, or there's not enough buyers who have interest in higher prices. But the market is still showing its eagerness to move higher. As we forecasted yesterday in our video, we are still expecting Ethereum to make higher highs. But the moment it makes higher highs, you guys need to expect that it will be a push to go a bar, because it's going to have to break through all of this stockpile that continues to hit it from day to day. So that's the bar that's going to be reflected when this market finally breaks through this trading area. Okay, so our analysis for Ethereum is for it to continue to trade higher. We don't see necessarily precursors of weakness on this particular cryptocurrency, only the fact that stockpile continues to enter the market. So that's the only precursor of weakness that we can actually see over the last 5 trading days. But the market is absorbing or consuming all of that stockpile. So the market should continue to move higher. So next we're going to look at Bitcoin Cash. So Bitcoin Cash is also up 2.05%. Last trade was at $630.77. The market made its way all the way to a high of $664, but it quickly dropped down. You can tell the volume is extremely light compared to the last couple of trading days, which also is an indication that the market is not necessarily interested in higher prices. But we can say that the market still found support at $600. So we're not expecting Bitcoin Cash to fall further to $600. As a matter of fact, we're expecting it to continue to trade sideways to eventually higher. Okay, because this also could mean that a lot of the stockpile from yesterday's trading bar has been consumed, and tomorrow the market will move a lot higher, especially if Bitcoin has a phenomenal day and makes all-time highs as well. So our analysis for Bitcoin Cash is for it to continue to trade sideways to eventually higher as well. So next we're going to go ahead and look at is Ripple. So even for Ripple as well, they are down 2.52%. Last trades at 21 cents. Today was just a wash. The buyers nor the sellers came out victorious today. The market is trading right around where the open was. The high was 23 cents and the low was 20 cents. So the market is a wash. So we will just continue with our analysis for Ripple to continue to trade sideways. Sideways to lower, because the last 2 trading days the market came from 30 cents to 29 cents all the way down to 21 cents now. So precursors and weakness is the dominant field or the dominant move for Ripple right now. So with that being said, we expect Ripple to continue to trade sideways because a lot of this excess stockpile has been absorbed from the buyers on today's date. So Ripple still continue to trade sideways to even lower. So next we're going to go ahead and look at is Litecoin. So Litecoin has also been acting like Ethereum, to where stockpile continues to hit the market every day, but the market continues to move higher. So looking at the daily chart, Litecoin had a down day yesterday, but the market came and continues to give us precursors of strength because the market is closing higher than yesterday's close. So that allows us to continue with our confirmation that Litecoin wants to make higher highs. So we still expect Litecoin to move higher. They are up 0.78%. Last trade was at $50.91. And as long as Litecoin stays within this upward channel, it continues to give us strength as well too. So the market might come tomorrow and test this area of support of this upward channel. But then overall, we expect it to stay within this area of 50 to around $51. So next we're going to go ahead and look at is Dash. So Dash is up 2.91%. Last trade was at $314.40. And I want you guys to pay attention to the volume. It is excessively high compared to the last 2 trading days. And the last 2 trading days, the market moved higher. Today, the bar is a lot smaller than yesterday's bar, but the volume is heavier. So that gives us the indication that stockpile is coming within this market for Dash, which means that a lot of the market participants are not eager to break this $320 area, as we figured that it will come and test $320, and it did that today. But the market is closing lower to the close of yesterday, and it gives us an indication that Dash will move sideways to eventually lower. So just like our analysis yesterday, we still expect Dash to move lower in the short term. So next we're going to go ahead and look at is Neo. Looking at NEO on the daily chart. So on the 23rd of August, you guys can see stockpile came within the market, but on the 24th, the market absorbed it because the bar closed higher than the 23rd's bar. But today we have a down bar. So that also tells us that sellers are in control for today. There's no buyers in the market for today. So with NEO, the best scenario that we can say for this particular cryptocurrency is for it to continue to trade sideways. If we don't get a precursor strength bar tomorrow, then the market will move lower, because we said in our analysis yesterday on our video that if NEO can break $42, then the market will trade sideways to eventually lower. And that analysis still stands today. The market is not towards $42. It's at $40.33 currently. So once that analysis changed, then we will say that NEO will move higher. But right now it should trade sideways to lower. All right, so next we're going to look at Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic is eking out some gains right now, 0.50%. That's how high they are, up 7 cents. Last trade was at $15.15. Stockpile this is the third day that we see stockpile come within the market. But if you notice, the volume is declining every day thereafter, and the bars is getting a lot smaller. So Classic look like it will trade sideways to eventually higher. If you can see, during the 7th of August, 8th, 9th, and 10th of August, the market found support, and that's where support is currently for Ethereum Classic. If this support breaks, then Ethereum Classic will move lower. If it doesn't, then the Ethereum Classic will move higher. So this is the area that we need to pay attention to. Now, from the last 3 days that stockpile has entered the market has been moving lower. But I want you guys to pay attention between today and yesterday, how a lot of volume came in yesterday, but the market didn't move lower than today. So obviously there's some consumption going on within this price range of $15.15. So the market for Ethereum Classic, we are going to say they're going to move sideways to just slightly higher, because this still look like a lot of stockpile that's within this price range. And the last one we're going to look at is Monero. So I want to show you guys that yesterday's bar in fact turned out to be a trial run. The volume is light compared to the last 3 trading days. That's what you want to see on the trial run, especially when that day is a down day. Okay, so that's what yesterday was. The market closed lower than the 23rd of August, so that's a down day. The volume was a lot lighter, so that tells us that there wasn't a lot of selling for Monero yesterday. That is why today we see this push to go up bar, and from yesterday was a confirmation for today. That's why Monero has made all-time highs today of $109.75. With that being said, Monero should continue to move higher. The market is not giving us precursors of weakness. The market, as a matter of fact, came and consumed the cryptocurrency at this price. That's why it was able to shoot up to 109.75 today. So pay attention. Monero should continue to move higher because we have precursors of strength in the background. Tomorrow might be a side day or just slightly lower day. So a lot of people who want to take their profits out of Monero will do that on tomorrow. So the market might close lower, but overall, Monero is still giving us precursors of strength. All right, guys, that's all I got. HueFin News. Give you guys news according to the charts. We are not investment advisors. We're not giving you guys investment advice. We're just simply here to show you how easy it is to predict where a cryptocurrency it's going to move next, because the price bars and the volume tells you exactly what the outcome or the movement of that cryptocurrency will be. We want to show you guys that you can do this with confidence, that you can make profits consistently without learning other indicators, without buying expensive software. The market is a language. That's what we're here to do. We're reading you guys this language, and eventually you guys will become more proficient, become more confident in understanding this language, so you as well can go in the market when you want to and make consistent profits. That's what we do here at HueFin News. We're going to give you guys opportunity as well to learn how we also can dissect the market, give you guys the pulse of the market, so you also can do this on your own. So you guys continue to subscribe to this channel, continue to like these videos, go ahead and share it. If you guys got comments, go ahead and leave them in the comment section. One of the videos that I posted yesterday, I'm unable to see the comments, so any of you guys posted any comments for me on yesterday, I'm not able to see them. So if you guys got any questions from yesterday's video, you guys can go ahead and post it on this video that I'm about to upload now. And that's all I got, guys. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Continue to watch, continue to make this money with us at HueFin News, and we'll continue to move higher. You guys have a good one. I'll talk to you guys later.